Hi, Tram.
Hello.
Hi. How are
Hello.
you?
I'm fine.
How nice to see you again. How is your weekend? Is it happy or sad?
I'm happy.
Very good. So let's begin. But before we have to start, Tram, let's have to continue our lesson. So I would like to say good evening again, Tram. By the way, my name is Teacher Peng and welcome to our class. So today we have to continue. We will continue the lesson 7. It's all about the fan food fox. Okay. So, but before we have to start in this lesson, let's have the warm up song, and this will be the hello song. Okay, can you please sing with Teacher Peng?
Yes.
All right, let's sing the hello song.
Hello,
Hello,
hello, how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Yay! Already done. Do you like the song?
Yes.
All right. So, Tram, let's have to begin our lesson. Let's continue the lesson 7, and that will be a fan food fact. So, last time, in our lesson, we finished this one, and now we will proceed to another vocabulary words, and this is the word. How will you read this one, Tram? This is
Sleepy.
okay. This is the word slippy. And okay, what do you think is the potatoes doing? The potato.
The potato feels sleepy.
Mm-hmm. The potato feels sleepy. All right. Now look at the picture below, Tram. Which picture shows sleepy? Is it the first picture or the second picture?
The second picture.
Mm-hmm. The second picture. All right. Now let's have another vocabulary words. This is the word goggles. Okay. Can you please say goggles?
Bubble.
Mm-hmm. What is the goggles? What is the picture all about, Tram? It's he wears
He wears goggles to
protect.
protect protect his eyes from water.
Okay, he wears goggles to protect his eyes from the water. All right, now we have the two picture here again. Which are the goggles? Is it the first picture or the second picture?
Is the first picture.
All right, the first picture is a goggles. Can you please say the first picture is a goggles?
The first picture is goggle.
All right, let's have another. Let's proceed the grammar. Okay, we have here the three. Okay, the three pictures. What do you think is the first picture?
The boy feels sad.
Okay, the boy feels sad. And the second picture is
The bunny looks happy.
the bunny looks happy. And the third picture is
The juice tastes good.
the juice tastes good. All right, now these are the grammar term. This are the grammar. the feels, looks, and taste. These are the grammars, and this is called a linking verbs. What are they again? Can you please
It
read?
feel, look, and taste are linking verbs.
Okay, so they are the linking verbs. All right. Now we have another linking verbs. What do you think is the meaning of the linking verbs? All right, let's talk about the fun food facts. Okay, Tram, I will show you the introduction. Can you please read? This is Timmy and Cindy.
Cindy and Timmy are reading books.
Cindy, it's Cindy, not Timmy. Okay, Cindy and Timmy.
Cindy and Timmy are reading books. They are learning some fun facts about food.
Okay, Cindy and Timmy are reading books. They are learning some fun facts about the food. Okay, what will be the happen? Okay, so Cindy said, Timmy, here is a fun book about the food. And Timmy said, let me see. What does it say? What do you think is a trap? It says,
It says there are uh, about about uh, about
200.
200
206. 206. Again, it says there are about 200 seeds on a strawberry. Again,
it says there are about 200
200. Again.
200 seeds on a strawberry.
Okay, this is the strawberry, and they says there are 200 seeds on a strawberry. Oh, have a lot. Now, Timmy says what?
Wow, so many! I just not strawberry. Tastes good.
Mm-hmm. Wow, so many. I just know strawberries are taste goods. Now I can see you linking verbs, and this is the word what? This is the word.
Uh, linking verb taste. Here is
Okay.
linking verbs. The most common linking verbs is the verb be. Some common link verbs relate to the
Five senses.
five senses. Food, I feel, food,
Look.
taste,
It's a look. Feel.
look, taste, smell, and sound.
Uh-huh.
E-
Okay. What
e-
are the example?
e.g., the music sound beautiful.
Okay. So again here the linking verbs are the taste. And this is he and this is the most common linking verb is the verb that some common are related to the five senses. All right. Now, what are the five senses again, Tram? The five senses is feel, look, taste, smell, and sound. That is the five senses. Okay, what are the five senses again, Tram?
Um, is the music sound up is feel, feel, look, touch, smell, and shout.
Sound. Sound.
Shout,
Oh, no, no, no. Sound.
shout,
Not sound. It's S. Sound, not sound. Again.
sound,
Very good. So they are the five senses. So they are the feel, look, taste, and smell, and also the sound. All right. Now, the music sounds beautiful. Oh, so this the example of the linking verbs. Let's have the next. What will be the happen? So Cindy said,
Haha, me too. I never knew that we were so many set on such a small fruit. Yeah, so are there any other fun facts?
okay. Ha ha ha, me too. I never knew where so many seeds on such a small fruit. So that's what Cindy said about the strawberry. Because again, they say the strawberry has a 200 seed. All right, now Steamy said, yes. So are there any other fun facts? So that is the question of Steamy to Cindy. And what do you think is the next? That's one.
Um, Here, eating onions make people sleepy. Really? I don't feel sleepy until really late at night. So maybe I should eat more onion.
Okay.
Ah,
Okay. So, Cindy said, here, eating onions makes people sleepy. Okay. Now, in the Sydney's, says to Timmy, I can see another linking verbs. And what do you think is that?
Um, is is it
It's, what?
is this
It's Cindy says to Timmy. What do you
it
think is that? It's that.
um
It's
is is
it's all about Cindy said to Timmy.
about a Cindy Timmy.
No, about Cindy Timmy. This is Cindy Timmy, right? Now, what do you think is the linking verb there?
Um,
This is the Cindy's Timmy. Now, what do you think is the linking verb? I can see the linking verb again. What are the linking verb again? The linking verb is all about the five senses. And what do you think are there? They are the feel. What? What else?
is onion.
Are you sure that this is an onions? Are you listening about the linking verbs? Are you listening?
Um,
Again, what are the linking verbs again? They are the
they are look. They are look, feel, taste, smell, and sound.
okay. So they are the feel, look, taste, smell, and the sound. So they are the five senses. Now, what do you think? Where is the linking verbs in the Cindy said to Timmy?
Here,
Where again,
uh,
here, eating onions makes people sleepy. Now, what do you think is the linking verbs in Cindy's set?
is in is
It's
set
a
makes
is it a mix? No, no, if it's a mix, where is it belong? Where is it
um
belong? It's it a feel, look, taste, smells, or sound? Do you think is it belong to a five senses? Are you sure? Okay, look at carefully. Here, eating onions makes people sleepy.
Is is
It's what?
is uh
As
uh
usual, Teacher Peng can see it. What do you think?
is
Again, here eating onions makes people sleepy. Again, we have wow, so many. I just know strawberries taste good. Now, the linking verbs there is the taste. Because that is belong to our five senses. Now, what do you think here? Here, eating onions makes people sleepy. What do you think?
is is here.
Are you sure? Look at carefully. I want
Uh,
you to know it. I want you to know it because I thought that you understand what is the linking verbs. Okay, before I asked you, do you understand the linking verbs, Tram?
Linking verb is
Wait, I asked you, do you understand the linking verbs? Is it yes or no?
yes.
All right, now what is the linking verbs here? I know you can do it. It's okay. What are the
Uh,
linking verbs again?
is uh,
What are the linking verbs again? I thought you understand the linking verbs. So why is it hard for you to answer that? Why? Because I can see the answer already here. I can see the answer already. Here, eating onions makes people sleepy. What do you think is the linking verbs there?
um,
The
is
word what? Hi, Tram.
yes.
Do you understand what is the linking verb? Is it yes or no? Because if you understand it, you know already what is the answer here. You can see the answer already if you know or if you understand what is the linking verbs. Now, do you understand the linking verbs, Tram?
Is
It's no. Is it no?
yes.
Is it no? No or yes?
Yeah, I know.
No, all right. That's why you don't know what is the answer here. Again, we will repeat it. What is the linking verb? Don't just read, okay? You just understand it also while you're reading the conversation between Cindy and Timmy. You need to understand it, okay? Not just read only. You don't need to read it because most important is to understand what have you read all about, okay?
Yes.
All right, now let's have to proceed again to linking verbs. Let's go back to the linking verbs and then you can ask Teacher Peng what are the words that you can't understand, so that Teacher Peng will say it to you or will I will understand it to you. I will explain it to you. Okay. Now, what is the linking verbs again?
Um, is full. Talk, look, taste, smell, sound, and
Oh,
sound.
we have the feel. Okay, I will write here. Feel, feel, look. I want you to understand this one because this is most important to know. Taste and sound. All right. Now, what are the five sense? What are the linking verbs again? The linking verbs is related to a five senses. Again?
Yes.
No. Quiet. Mm-mm-mm. Tram, hi. Are you there? Are you still there?
Yes.
All right. Now, what are the five senses again? I mean, what is the linking verbs? Linking verb is related.
Is feel, look, taste, smell, and sound.
All right. All right. Now, what are they? They are called a what? Look, feel, smell, taste, and sound are called a what? They're all called. They are
Um,
called a what? Ah,
they form five senses.
okay. They are called the five senses. Again, what are the five senses? Senses again, Tram.
Is look, feel, smell, taste, sound.
Okay. So they are again the what? They are the.
They are five senses.
Okay. Now, let's proceed this one. So, do you understand what is the linking verbs?
Um,
Do you understand it?
yes.
All right. Now, let's. All right. Now, let's go back to conversation of Cindy and Timmy. Now, Cindy said, "Here eating onions makes people sleepy." Now, again, my question is, where is the linking verbs in Cindy said to Timmy? Where? Where is the word linking verbs there? What? No, I mean is what are the linking verb? What is the linking verb? If you under, if you understand the five senses, which is the look, feel, smell, taste, and sound, you know it, the answer already here. I can see the answer already.
Yes.
Okay, now what is it?
Uh, is is um, is is it eating onion make people sleepy?
No. Oh, I'm so sad, Tra. I want you to know it. I want you to understand it. Again, I said the five. I said the linking verb is all about the five senses. And what are the five senses again? It takes too
You
long time to understand it. Why is so hard? You just answer. You just ask the teacher Peng if you have some words that you cannot understand. Because I want you to know it and I want you to understand it. Tram, hi, is it hard? Tram,
yes.
again. What is the linking verb again?
Is
Is?
is is
Why did you forget? What is the linking verb again? The linking verb is related, common related to what?
is food takes small and sun.
Mm-hmm. Now, so you know it already. What is the linking verb? Now again, here eating onions makes people sleepy. What do you think is the word that have a linking verbs? What do you think is the word there? Linking verbs.
Is is uh, is uh
We take how many minutes? It's too long. Why is so hard? Why is it so hard? It's just so easy if you understand it.
um uh,
We've taken so many so many minutes.
is
Oh, okay. It's almost 30 minutes. My Zoom is 30 minutes. I will come back and then you will tell me if I will come back again, you will tell me what is the answer, what is the linking verb there. Okay? Tram?
yes. Yes.
Okay.